Hello, students. I hope you all are fine and studying properly at your place. So, in previous class, we had a brief introduction about tenses, the topic tenses. We started it, and today we'll be further discussing all types of tenses in this class. But let's have a quick recap that on based on time frame we have three types of tenses: past, present and future, and based on aspect we have four type of tenses, that is indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. So in today's class, first we'll be doing based on time frame our present tense, and base present tense will be more studying in detail based on aspect. So it becomes present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So let's get started with the lesson. First comes your present indefinite tense. अब प्रेजेंट इंडिफाइनाइट टेंस को हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस भी बोलते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस टाइप ऑफ टेंस? So it is used to describe an action or event or condition that is occurring in the present at the moment of speaking or writing. जब आप present indefinite tense की बात कर रहे हैं, उस टाइम पर वो इवेंट हो रहा है या उस टाइम पर वो एक्शन हो रहा है, at that particular moment or at that particular time that action is happening, then you use present indefinite tense. Like I speak English every day. मैं English रोज बोलता हूँ. I play oftenly. मैं daily मतलब almost daily खेलता हूँ. I go for exercise every week. So मैं every week exercise के लिए जाता हूँ. I play in the ground. मैं ground में खेलता हूँ. So this is present indefinite tense. When you are telling the present condition for few days also you can say. I play every day does not becomes your future tense. मैं रोज़ खेलता हूँ is my present tense. ये कि मेरा present है कि मैं रोज़ खेलता हूँ, मैं रोज़ पढ़ता हूँ, मैं रोज़ खाता हूँ, हम एक साथ खेलते हैं, we play together. Again it's a प्रेजेंट इंडिफाइनाइट टेंस, जिसमें आप सिंपली अपने प्रेजेंट के बारे में बता रहे हो कि फ़िलहाल आप क्या कर रहे हैं. तो फ़िलहाल मैं ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा हूँ. सो बिकम्स योर प्रेजेंट इंडिफाइनाइट टेंस. एंड द बेसिक रूल फॉर प्रेजेंट इंडिफाइनाइट टेंस इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस एस और ई एस. नाउ हाउ वी यूज दिस रूल is subject plus verb first form plus s और es. So s और es हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? अकॉर्डिंग टू अपने सब्जेक्ट के यूज़ करते हैं. कि अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है सो वील यूज़ s और es विद इट. अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो हम s और es यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. जैसे कि she plays in the ground, we play in the ground. तो सिंगुलर है शी, तो हमने वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ एस या ई एस यूज़ किया. शी प्लेज इन द ग्राउंड. इन द ग्राउंड बिकम्स योर ऑब्जेक्ट. आई स्पीक इंग्लिश एवरी डे. अब आई के साथ हम एस या ई एस यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, सो इट विल बी सेम. वी रन इन द ग्राउंड. हम भागते हैं ग्राउंड में. रन वी प्लूरल है तो रन के साथ एस और ई एस यूज़ नहीं करते. So this is the basic rule of present indefinite tense. Next, moving on to present continuous tense. The present continuous tense emphasizes the continuing nature of an act, event or condition. तो present continuous हमें tense क्या बताता है कि जो act present में continuously उस टाइम पर चल रहा है, repeatedly हो रहा है, it's occurring at that point of time. So that becomes your present continuous tense. How? We are studying now. हम अभी पढ़ रहे हैं. When we are talking about present, that means now, and you're doing that work at that point of time continuously. आप उस टाइम पर पढ़ ही जा रहे हो. So we are studying now. I am playing there. मैं वहाँ खेल रहा हूँ और अभी तक खेलना बंद नहीं किया है. We are still playing. So that is continuously you are doing that task. I am drawing a portrait. We are reading a book. So when you have not finished up the task and at present you are still continuing with that work, that becomes your present continuous tense. And simple rule for your present continuous tense become subject plus is MR plus verb first form, and with verb first form you use ing. Now we know very well कि हम is am are कब use करते हैं. जब हमारा subject singular होता है we use is with it. When our subject is plural we use are with it, and when our subject is I we use am with it. She is playing. We are reading. I am going to the market. So all of these things becomes present continuous tense as the action is happening in the present continuously. That becomes your present continuous tense. Now moving on to present perfect tense. So now what is present perfect tense? अब present perfect tense कौन सा होता है? वो tense that is used to describe the action that began in the past and continues in the present or just finished, just been completed. That is present perfect tense. If I say it in the journal language कि आपने कोई काम पास्ट में किया है लेकिन आप उसको प्रेजेंट में डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो, that is your present perfect tense. But sometimes the thing is that आपने जो काम पास्ट में किया है वो अभी तक आप कर रहे हो, that is going on. And the other point is when you have started the work in the past and you have just finished it, means someone has asked you and you have finished that work. So that becomes your present perfect tense. Like for example, I have lived here for 2 years. अब आप किसी को अभी बता रहे हो, एट प्रेजेंट बता रहे हो कि आप यहाँ पर रहे हो 2 साल के लिए. सो इन प्रेजेंट यू आर टेलिंग दैट आपने पास्ट में क्या किया है कि आप यहाँ पर रहे हो 2 साल के लिए. सो इन प्रेजेंट यू आर टेलिंग अबाउट योर पास्ट, दैट बिकम्स योर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. वंस आई हैव विजिटेड दिस प्लेस, मैंने एक बार ये जगह विजिट की है. आई ऑलवेज कम for 2 years. In every 2 years I always visit this place. So आप प्रेजेंट में बता रहे हैं कि आप पिछले 2 सालों में या पिछले 3 सालों में या कितने भी टाइम से कोई भी काम कर रहे हो या आपने अभी अभी ख़त्म किया है. दैट बिकम्स योर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. एंड द बेसिक रूल फॉर योर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज़ हैव प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. Now what is the use of has and have? We all know where do we use has and where do we use have. has हम अपने singular subject के साथ use करते हैं, like she has gone there for since 2 hours. तो वो वहाँ गई हुई है 2 घंटे से. So that becomes your present perfect tense in singular form. And if I talk about plural, that becomes we have played in this ground. हमने इस ग्राउंड में खेला है या हम इस ग्राउंड में खेलते थे. That becomes your present perfect tense in plural form. And I के साथ and you के साथ also you use have only. So that tense in which we use subject plus has have plus verb third form and object, that becomes your present perfect tense. Clear everyone? Next, moving on to the last present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. That tense which is used to describe an action, event or condition that has begin in the past and continues in the present. जो पास्ट में शुरू तो हुआ था लेकिन प्रेजेंट में अब तक भी चल रहा है. इट इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन, मतलब वो ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है प्रेजेंट में भी. इट इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन. सो दैट बिकम्स योर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. नाउ it has been raining all day. It is raining. It is still raining right now. So यहाँ पर हमें क्या पता लग रहा है? It has been raining all day. मतलब पूरे दिन से बारिश हो रही है. पहले शुरू हुई थी पास्ट में, लेकिन it is still happening. अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ बारिश होना. It is still raining. So that becomes your present perfect continuous tense, which has begun in the past but it is still going on in the present. And simple basic rule for present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has have plus been. You have to keep in mind plus been plus verb first form plus ing and plus object. So this is your present perfect continuous tense. Ab we know where to use has and where to use have. With singular we use has and with plural we use have. She has been writing since 2 hours. 2 घंटे से वो लिख ही रही है. She singular है, has we use been with it, and writing, write हमारा verb first form and ing becomes your प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. शुरू किया था उसने 2 घंटे पहले लिखना, लेकिन अभी तक लिख ही रही है. दैट इज कॉन्टिन्यूस, परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. यू हैव बीन गेटिंग लेट फॉर लास्ट वीक. लास्ट वीक से आप लेट ही आ रहे हो. सो अगेन दैट इज योर you के साथ we use have, been and getting. Get means your verb first form getting. Late for a week, for last week, yeah, whatever you are using the object. So that is your present perfect continuous tense. So this was your present tense and the basic rules of the tense. Like for indefinite tense, present indefinite tense, we use subject plus verb first form plus s or es with the verb, depending upon the singular is singular, subject is singular, or the subject is plural. Present continuous tense में we use subject plus is am are plus verb first form, and with verb first form we use ing. Present perfect tense we use subject plus has have plus verb third form, and present perfect continuous tense we use subject plus has have plus verb first form plus ing. I hope you all have understood the present tense, and further past and future tense we'll be doing in our next class. And for further queries you can ask children. Thank you everyone.